How to assemble the Zomee Z2 breast pump. You are going to have initially 2 pump bodies that come in the box. These are the pump bodies where all the other parts will attach to. I'm going to take my first pump body and I'm going to now take my duckbill valve. In the box you have 2 sets of duckbill valves. These duckbill valves typically we recommend swapping out every 2-3 months just from wear and tear. The duckbill valve has a pull tab, so instead of actually pushing on the duckbill itself, which can cause it to damage, you will push on the pull tab, which will prevent you from tearing the actual duckbill valve. I'm going to now put my duckbill valve in the actual breast shield body. Just make sure when you push it in all the way so that it's fully sealed and flush inside the body. I'm going to take my next pump body, take my second duckbill valve, make sure that when I put in my duckbill valve, it's fully put in there. And now I've got my 2 duckbill valves assembled on my breast shield body. I'm now going to take my diaphragms. These diaphragms are the part that's going to move up and down when the pump is working. I have my diaphragm from my right side, make sure that it's fully just flush and put in the actual hole, as well as 1 diaphragm on my left side. Now I've got my 2 diaphragms inside as well as my duckbill valves under the breast shield body. Now I've got my diaphragm caps. These caps are an actual twist, so when you put it on the diaphragm, make sure it's fully twisted all the way. If it's not tight and it's not twisted on all the way, you will see a decrease in suction. I'm going to twist my right side as well as my left side. Once I twist on my diaphragms all the way, I'm going to take my bottles. There are 2 bottles included in the Zomee box. I'm going to twist the breast shield body onto the bottle for the right, twist the breast shield body onto the bottle for the left. Now I've got my 2 bottles. Now we come to our breast shields. In the box, you're going to have 2 sets of breast shields, the 21s and 24s. If you notice, you'll see that the sizes will show up on the actual top of the breast shield, as well as you'll see that there are stickers that show the size as well. We recommend getting measured by a lactation consultant to make sure you're using the right size. In the box, you will have the 21s and 24 millimeter breast shields. However, we do have from sizes 15 to 32. So we do have sizes 15, 17, 19, 21, 24, 28, and 32 millimeter. If mom needs a different size than what's in the box, we do offer a one-time complimentary pair for mom free of charge, or if she needs a different size than what's included in the box, we will send it to her. I'm going to attach the breast shield on each side. When I attach the breast shield, I'm just going to make sure that it also is fully snug and pushed in. Now what I will do is I will have the tubing and connect the tubing of the kit to the pump. If you notice, each tube has a blue adapter that will be included. This adapter will connect the breast shield by pushing it all the way in. I'm going to take the other side of the tube and I'm going to connect it to my pump. If you notice, the Zomee Z2 has a little flap. If mom wanted to single pump, she can just stick it in the hole and shut the flap. If she wanted to double pump, she would open up the flap and now she could use that second port. Now I'm going to take my tubing from my left side. I'm going to attach it to the actual breast shield. Push it in as much as you can. And then I'm going to attach the opposite side. Now I'm able to double pump, being that both kits are fully assembled and attached to the pump.